Hello. An enteral feeding pump is used to deliver nutrition and hydration through a nasogastric or percutaneous feeding tube. This video will show you how to use the Fresenius Amika enteral feeding pump. It complements face-to-face training and assumes that you have been trained and are competent to use this device. We appreciate that the equipment and some of your local policies may differ slightly from those shown in the video. This video focuses on the principles that you need to adopt, and you should ensure that you are aware of and follow your local policies. To begin, you will need an Amika giving set and the feed or fluid. Close the pinch clamp on the giving set and connect it to the feed. Open the pump door by pushing up the lever and pulling the door outwards. Position the pinch clamp in line with the downward arrow and listen for the click to indicate that it is in the correct position. Align the giving set tube within the tube guide. Make sure that the tube is straight. Close the door by pushing firmly down on the lever. It's now time to turn the pump on by pressing the on-off button. The red, yellow and green LEDs will flash. Press the automatic priming key followed by the start button. This will automatically prime the line at a maximum rate and will automatically stop once priming is completed. Once priming is complete, press the start button again. You can now set the desired flow rate by using the plus and minus keys. Holding either of the arrow up or arrow down buttons down will scroll through the numbers faster. Below 100 millilitres per hour, the increment is in single millilitres, and above 100 millilitres per hour, the increment is in 5 millilitres. When you set the flow rate, you can set the target volume in exactly the same way by pressing the plus and minus keys next to the value on the screen. Confirm that the rate and volume are correct as per the prescription before connecting the giving set to the enteral feeding tube. Press the green start button to start the feed. You can stop the feed by pressing the red stop key. You can reset the progress bar at any time by pressing and holding the red stop key for 2 to 3 seconds. When you've finished using the pump, press and hold the on-off button until the countdown is complete. You can lock the pump to prevent tampering during infusion. To do this, press and hold the lock button for 2 seconds. A padlock is displayed on the toolbar. Once the keypad is locked, the only button that will work is the lock button. Press and hold the lock button for 2 seconds to unlock the keypad. Each pump has a helpline number printed clearly on the back. If you have any questions, please speak to a senior nurse for advice.